Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can create quiz on your Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application, and now let's just create the story first. So I'm going to tap on your story right here, and for me, for example, I'm just gonna select a photo from my gallery to be uploaded as my story. So I'm gonna go with this one. Just tap on the photo like this, and if you want to create quiz on your Instagram story, you can simply click on the sticker button, and then there will be several options for you, and you are going to select a quiz. You have to scroll down until you find the quiz option, this one. Tap on the quiz option, then you can start creating the quiz. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. I'm just going to type this one. What it is okay, and I'm going to set this one as the correct answer. Just tap on this one, and then after you're done, you just need to click on the share your story right here to share this quiz to your story. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a quiz on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.